Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Yamako about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me a notification bell no. Say the video be a better on Sabeka. And besides a bear jam cookies. You be use 100 gram butter. Now I beat it. What the 3 tablespoons sugar? A gumlock or sweat beat it. 1 egg, vanilla, now a bit. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. What the 1.5 cup all-purpose flour egumu, 2 tablespoons powder milk, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now I'm mixing that for me dough. O mix na akwato working surface no wachemu. O wi ade ochiche mu fa ba kwa no wawole. Sana be ni na akosita ma ebesa. O wi anu atwetwa mu nketewa. O twetwa mu nketewa we pe na wabọ ne round. Sana be ni na akosita ma ebesa. Nyina wie no ufa baako a na wo do nsa kokromoti no emia emfinfin sana be ni na akosita ma ebesa. With the strawberry jam egugu tokro na we ye no. Baking 180 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, no ye fi oven no manage and na wa serve. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Now, this our jam cookies. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.